In this tutorial I will show you how to turn off autoplaying videos on YouTube homepage. If you're tired of videos autoplaying on your YouTube homepage, I'm here to show you how to turn that off. Start by grabbing your smartphone and opening the YouTube app. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled You. Tap on it to proceed to your profile section. Now that you're in your profile, look for the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this gear to open the settings menu. After tapping the gear icon, you will be taken to a list of settings options. Scroll down just a little bit until you find the playback section. In the playback section, look for an option called Playback in Feeds. By default, this is set to always on, which is why videos automatically play when you're scrolling through your home page. To stop the autoplaying videos, simply select Off. Once you tap that, autoplay will be disabled, and videos will no longer play automatically as you scroll through your YouTube homepage or feeds. And that's it. You've successfully turned off autoplaying videos, making your browsing experience much more peaceful.